Welcome to AL Language Cafe, where we learn Chinese the fun way. In this video series, we'll practice a set of characters together. You can download the free worksheets in the description to follow along. Now we are back on to characters. Our next character is 天, 天, sky, day. We start with a short horizontal stroke, followed by another horizontal stroke that is longer than the first one, but both horizontal strokes are in the upper section of the grid, then a left falling stroke. At the intersection point, start a right falling stroke. Writing tip. After you finish writing the first two strokes, when you start writing the left falling stroke, make sure it starts underneath the first horizontal stroke. A common mistake is to start the left falling stroke above the first horizontal line, like so. This is no longer a 天, it is a different character. So keep in mind to keep the starting point of the left falling stroke underneath the first horizontal stroke for our character 天. When you are writing Chinese characters, you don't have to worry about whether it looks pretty. Simply write out the correct strokes in the correct sequence. It's enough for beginners. Later, you can practice Chinese calligraphy if you are interested. Now, let's use our newly practiced characters to form new words. 一天, 一天, one day. 三天, 三天, 3 days.